Hello, I'm recording an instruction on how to install a replacement screen for the Toshiba P105-S6114. And first we'll begin by prying up this plate here. Gently. Your screen may have to be all the way back. There we go. Okay. The next step would be to remove these little rubber pieces here on the screen. There are two. I'm going to remove first. Keep the back side of it sticky so you can place it back on without falling out in the future. We're going to unscrew these. I need some very small screwdrivers. So if you have a little kit like this, it's perfect for working with electronics. Next, we want to carefully pry the laptop's casing so that we can remove the broken screen. So what I do is I start it up here, very gently, very carefully, begin to just slip. I've got a flathead, small flathead screwdriver. Just fit in here, pry it out. Try not to scrape the case until you work all the way around. As I work my way around the screen, I'm just gently popping, as you can see, popping this case off gently. There we go. The next step is to look underneath this casing here, and there are screws that need to be removed. And there's two on each side. Now that all the screws have come out, it's loose now. We'll want to remove this wiring here. That's part of the laptop. And we want to remove any cables that are attached at the bottom. You should be able to slip out at that point. Alright, once that's finished, remove any tape that may be holding the screen. You may have to kind of use a screwdriver and reach down in there with two hands and pry the laptop's cabling away from the screen. Just pry that tape up until there's nothing else holding onto the screen. You can just pull it out. As you can see, I have successfully removed the screen, and I'm ready to install the new screen. Now that I have some help, I'm going to finally install this new screen. So watch and learn. Without scratching the screen, gently, carefully slip this down. And now this is sticky, so we're going to try to avoid it as much as possible until it's set in place. Now, I'm holding. Okay. I'm going to put this in. Now, make sure you know which way the pins go. And to know how to do that, you need to just make sure to pay attention to when you unplug it. In this case, I've got to fit this pin down here. Come on. Alright, now that we've plugged that cable in at the bottom, we're working on the ribbon cable here. Get it aligned so that the sticker doesn't keep the cord from being long enough to plug in where it's supposed to. We're going to plug that in and begin putting the case back together. Alright, now that we have carefully slipped the screen in, and we made sure it's in the slot. It should be. We'll start screwing it back together. Alright, now that we've installed this new screen, I want to show you the result. No dead pixels, very good. To summarize everything that we did, we pulled the case apart, unscrewed the screen from the laptop, removed the ribbon cables, replaced the ribbon cables, screwed the laptop screen to the laptop itself, and put the case together. Now this is the result. I ordered this screen from laptopscreens.com, and I would recommend that to anybody. They have great customer service, and you can't go wrong with them. Thanks for watching this instructional video, and I hope you enjoyed it.